Hi, Grandpa Bob.
Hi.
Welcome to the Bird Storytime.
Is this the famous bird story time?
Well, hopefully it'll become famous.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, we're going to read some great books.
What books are you going to read?
Well, I've got one called Hooray for Birds, and it's really colorful and has some great pictures. I have one called Can Cat and Bird Be Friends? And that's a
Can
lot
cat
of fun.
and bird be friends?
Uh-huh.
Oh, surely they can't.
You'll find out. And then there's another one by Willems. It's one of my favorites called There is a Bird on Your Head.
There's nothing on my head, I know that.
You quack me up, Grandpa Bob. I think we better get started.
Well, I'm ready to go. The only thing I'm missing, though, you don't have a book on ducks for Ducky Daddle.
Well, you're the Ducky Daddle storyteller.
Well, then I'll have to come up with something that would appeal to Ducky Daddle's friends.
All right.
I'll work on it.
That sounds good. We'll look forward to it.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Right.
Have a seat. You know I always like to start with a book. Have you got your book? If you put your hands like this and move your hands this way, it looks like it opens and closes like a book. Let's sing our song. The more we read together, 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 the more we read together, the happier we'll be. Read big books and small books and short books and tall books. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. That was good, but let's do it one more time. Got your book? The more we read together, 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 the more we read together, the happier we'll be. Read big books and small books and short books and tall books. The more we read together, the happier we'll be. Great job, everybody. Well, you know, saying that rhyme always makes me hungry. And I think today I would like a bowl of chicken noodle soup. Why not? Grandma Lou, is it chicken noodle soup that I eat? It's the one with the letters.
Oh, is it alphabet soup?
Oh, it's alphabet soup. Why do I always forget? I don't know. But let's do our rhyme together. And it goes like this. You rub your stomach and you say, alphabet soup, gee, it tastes swell. Alphabet soup, what does it spell? Let's try that again. Alphabet soup, gee, it tastes swell. Alphabet soup, what does it spell? Well, let's see what letters we have today. This is our first letter. What's this one? Grandma Lou?
B.
B. And that sounds like buh, buh. Let's see what our next letter is. I. And that sounds like I, I. How about this one?
R.
R. What's that sound like?
R.
Very good. And this one? If I got it backwards, there we go.
D.
D. And what's that sound like?
D.
Duh, duh. Okay, we've got one more. How about this one?
S.
S. And what does that sound like? Put that all together, what do you get?
Bird.
Birds, that's right. Well, let's hear our first story about birds. Our first book is called Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. It's very colorful. I think you'll enjoy it. Can you imagine just for one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo. You can do that at home, cock-a-doodle-doo. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Can you flap your wings at home? Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Some birds like to swim. Say, hello, darling, like that parrot. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. You can do that at home too. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Now that can be hard to do. Say cluck, cluck, and lay an egg. That would be really hard to do, wouldn't it, Grandma Lou?
It certainly would.
Catch a wiggly snake and stretch out your wings. I bet you can stretch. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, tweet, tweet. Hum, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. All the bird sounds are so beautiful. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Those are so pretty. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. I think that one's my favorite. What a busy bird you've been, the funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day, cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight, to-wit, to-woo, woo, woo. And that's the end. That was a great book. Now we're going to do a rhyme about birds. Here are two little Dickey birds sitting on a cloud. Have you got your two birds? It goes like this. Two little Dickey birds sitting on a cloud. One name soft, the other name loud. Fly away soft, fly away loud. Come back soft, come back loud. Now we're going to do it with a little different version. And it goes like this. Two little Dickey birds sitting down low. One name fast, the other name slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. Let's do one more verse. Two little Dickey birds sitting on a lily. One named Sirius, the other named Silly. Fly away, Sirius, fly away, silly. Come back, Sirius, come back, silly. Good job, everybody. We're going to do another rhyme. You can stand up and do this, or you can do this in your chair. It goes like this. I saw a little bird go hop, hop, hop. Can you say that? I saw a little bird go hop, hop, hop. I told the little bird to stop, stop, stop. Grandma Lou, can you say that?
I
Told the little bird to stop, stop, stop. I went to the window to say, how do you do? Can you say that? I went to the window to say, how do you do? He wagged his little tail and far away he flew. Can you say that? He wagged his little tail and far away he flew. Good job. Let's do that again. I saw a little bird go hop, hop, hop. Can you say that? I saw a little bird go hop, hop, hop. I told the little bird to stop, stop, stop. I told the little bird to stop, stop, stop. I went to the window to say, how do you do? I went to the window to say, how do you do? He wagged his little tail and far away he flew. He wagged his little tail and far away he flew. Great job, everybody. Let's read another story. Our next book is called There is a Bird on Your Head by Willems. You see Elephant and Piggy in the picture? There's a whole series of books with Elephant and Piggy, and they are so fun. Let's get started. There are two friends resting, Elephant and Piggy, but something seems to be flying down towards them. I see a little bird. Oh! Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes, said Piggy. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ugh! I don't think he wants a bird on his head. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. He doesn't look very happy. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. This one has a little heart. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Oh my goodness, I don't think I would want that. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Oh, it looks like a nice nest. I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Piggy climbed up to see. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? Elephant said. The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? Let's see if they move. No problem. It worked. Oh, phew, they're flying away with the nest and the chicks. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Look where those birds ended up. And now they're on Piggy's head. These books are so cute. Would you want birds and a nest on your head? I don't think I would want to, but I'd love to see some baby birds. Let's do some more rhymes. That was a great story. Now I have some colored eggs. Let's see if you know your colors. What about this egg? What's this?
Green,
Right. This one?
yellow,
Uh-huh.
pink,
Good.
purple,
Mm-hmm.
orange,
And
blue.
now somewhere in one of these eggs, a baby chick is hiding. Let's say a rhyme and see if we can find it. Baby chick, where do you hide? Are you in the green egg? Let's peek inside. Let's take a look.
No.
Oh, not in the green egg. All right, let's try the next one. Baby chick, where do you hide? Are you in the orange egg? Let's peek inside. Let's see. Oh, no, not in there. Let's try the next one. Baby chick, where do you hide? Are you in the pink egg? Let's peek inside. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I hope we have a baby chick in here. Baby chick, where do you hide? Are you in the yellow egg? Let's peek inside.
No.
Oh my goodness. Baby chick, where do you hide? Are you in the purple egg? Let's peek inside.
No.
Oh my goodness. I would be so blue if we don't find... Let's see, maybe it's in the blue egg. Baby chick, where do you hide? Are you in the blue egg? Let's peek inside. Oh, little baby chick. Isn't she cute? She's so sweet. Oh, and she'll probably grow up to be a nice big chick. Great job, everybody. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Let's hear the next story. This next book is called Can Cat and Bird Be Friends by Muir. Can a cat and a bird be friends? We're going to find out. Are you a bird? Yes, I am. Then I must eat you. Why? Because I'm a cat and cats eat birds. Why do cats eat birds? I don't know. It's always been like that. That would be a strange start to a friendship. Can't I be your friend instead? Oh, I'm not sure about that. How would a bird make a good friend for a cat? Well, I know a fun box for a cat to play in. I love this box. I know the highest tree for a cat to get stuck in. This tree is very tall. And I know the best car for a cat to hide under. I agree, this is a fantastic car to hide under. Maybe they can be friends. Okay, bird, you can be my friend. Wait a second, how would a cat make a good friend for a bird? Well, let me think. I know the perfect wire for a bird to sit on. This is a lovely wire. I know where there are lots of twigs for a bird to make a nest with. These are super twigs. I know where there are loads of juicy worms for a bird to eat. These worms are totally tasty. Okay, bird, we can be friends. But friends do things together, don't they, cat? Yes. Well, I don't think I like playing in boxes, getting stuck up in high trees, or hiding under cars. And I don't like sitting on wires, making nests, or eating worms. You're right. If we're going to be friends, we've got to find something we both like doing. So what do we both like doing? I like stretching, do you? Not really. Do you like cleaning yourself in water? No, I don't. Do you like licking? Nope. Do you like flying? Of course not. I'm a cat. Wonder what they have in common. I guess that's it then. We have nothing in common. We can't be friends. Oh well, I think I'll just go home. I've got a painting to finish. Painting? I love painting. I love painting too. We can be friends. Yes, we can. Look, the cat drew a picture of the bird up on the tree, and the bird drew a picture of the cat. Isn't that sweet? And that's the end.
Tweet, tweet.
Now I'm going to show you the craft that you can make. I have a template for you for this bird, and you can email me at bowen@mcls.ms. And what you do is you trace the bird template. And I made a little slit right here. I folded the bird in half and made a little slit with my scissors that I can fit this fan through. Now I made the fan by taking a regular piece of paper and folding it like an accordion, where you fold in one direction and then you fold it back in another direction. And you keep folding until you get through the whole paper. So I folded this all the way through as an accordion, and then I put it through this slot. Okay, the slot was empty and I put it through and I opened it up like a fan and glued it right at the top with the bird in the middle. So please email me if you would like this template, and you can make your own bird. Have a great day.